No wagon of the Indian Railways rolls without components made by a Lalbaba Group company. Along with Indian Railways, the group is also a preferred name in the automobile, power, oil and gas sectors. It is none other than the Lalbaba Engineering Group. Based in the state of West Bengal, Lalbaba Group is an engineering conglomerate manufacturing a wide range of products for diverse industries, including railways, energy, automotive, earth-moving, mining, defense, amongst others. However, the nucleus of the Lalbaba Group has been the railway rolling stock and freight industry, which it has been serving with eminence for over 5 decades. Founded by Mr. Muraridal Dhanuka in 1963, the company has grown from its humble workshop in the Howrah industrial belt, producing machinery components required for the then thriving jute industry more than 5 decades ago. Early success allowed the founder to grow the business quickly, and in the early 1970s, the business pivoted to cater to the flourishing wagon building industry in and around Kolkata. Over the years, Lalbaba Group has become an integral part of the rail freight industry's supply chain, and today the group proudly claims to have contributed to every wagon in the Indian Railways fleet. Under the leadership of Mr. Kishan Dhanuka, Lalbaba Engineering Group today has 4 group companies and 3 manufacturing units in West Bengal. The business is managed in 2 verticals: seamless pipe and tube segment and railway rolling stock sector. The unit contributing to the seamless business is Lalbaba Seamless Tubes Private Limited. Established in the year 2009, Lalbaba Seamless Tubes Private Limited, situated in Haldia, East Mednipur, is the flagship unit of the group, which produces seamless carbon alloy and stainless steel pipes and tubes with an installed output capacity of 36,000 metric tons per annum. LBST has been the only manufacturer of carbon steel seamless tubes in the eastern region of the country. This has led the group to become the single preferred source of the wagon industry in the whole country. Lalbaba Seamless Tubes has in place a barrel-type cross-roll piercing process for manufacturing the seamless tubes at its Haldia plant. The plant is equipped with an electrically operated roller hearth bright annealing furnace. This results in achieving a bright surface with superior finish quality, which is generally required for export markets. The group is in the process of doubling its capacity to 72,000 tons per annum within the year 2022, thus becoming the largest manufacturer of cold-drawn seamless tubes in India. The railway segment has key interest in the wagon industry, more specifically in the brake systems for freight wagons. Starting manufacturing of air brake pipes in 1991, Lalbaba Group has since become a leading and the most preferred partner of brake pipes to the wagon industry with an estimated share of business above 70%. Our main strength is that we provide end-to-end solution to our customers, including support at site as and when required. The main units contributing to this segment are PEW Engineering Private Limited, Lalbaba Industrial Corporation Private Limited. PEW Engineering Private Limited, established in the year 2002 with its unit located at Ghushuri in Howrah, is solely dedicated to manufacturing of air brake system components like brake cylinders, reservoirs, angle cocks, check valves, isolating cocks, as well as empty load box device. This facility is equipped with multiple CNC machines and is one of the leading component suppliers to the entire railway sector, comprising wagon manufacturers as well as zonal railways. The third unit, LBIC, is situated at Uluberia near Kolkata, is a dedicated forging unit equipped with furnaces and forging hammers which can produce precision forging up to a weight of 25 kilograms. The facility is equipped with a precision die-making facility as well as CNC machining centers. This unit has been a reliable supplier for many years to the Indian Railways, Defence and various steel plants. With the group pursuing a futuristic growth agenda, the forging unit has been upgrading its facilities with brand new state-of-the-art induction furnaces for billet heating, providing greater consistency in the products. This would also contribute towards cleaner environment and reduce pollution. The Lalbaba Projects Private Limited is a dedicated company undertaking retrofitment, repair as well as refurbishment of railway rolling stock. Lalbaba Projects Private Limited has over the last couple of years developed the skills for upgrading the railway rolling stock by deputing teams at various railway workshops and open line depots and yards. Our teams are working on refurbishment of LHB coaches at 4 locations. Twin pipe conversion work on 1,000 plus LHB coaches of East Coast Railway and Eastern Railway from 2016 to 2020. Twin pipe conversion work on freight wagons at more than 30 locations of the Indian Railways. So far, over 70,000 wagons have been completed starting in the year 2017. Now, such twin pipe conversion work has been started for various container train operators and other private companies owning rolling stock. With elaborate research and development on the subject, Lalbaba Group has established itself as an authority on brake system solutions and was instrumental in working with RDSO Wagon Wing when it has upgraded a large number of the Indian Railways fleet of wagons from single pipe to twin pipe system. Accordingly, the group has developed a dedicated workforce of more than 300 members to work very closely with all the zonal railways at their workshop and maintenance depots in railway yards, while all the materials required are sent in a kit form to the sites from plants in Howrah. The group has now started working with container train operators and other private sector entities owning wagons. We are thus providing our customers end-to-end solutions to convert and upgrade their wagon fleet according to their requirement and ensuring liaison with local railway authorities for providing a seamless service and least detention to their fleet. We are capable of turning out a full rake of BLC wagon within 48 hours as well as undertake conversion to higher axle load capacity. Some of the items recently developed with in-house R&D and approved by RDSOR, constant contact side bearer CCSB, slack adjusters, shaku couplers, lock and connector in forged version for WD-BD 70 coupler, double ferrule fittings, stainless steel seamless pipe in bent condition for supply to wagon builder, stainless steel seamless pipe in straight condition to coach builders. With the mission to create value through innovative solutions towards manufacture and delivery of cost-effective products and services, the company constantly endeavors towards upgradation of its systems as well as training its employees in creating and delivering value to all the stakeholders. Lalbaba Industrial Corporation Private Limited, the Wagon Doctor.